Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my makeup prep routine, how I prep my face before I do my makeup, be it any sort of heavy makeup or like just light everyday day-to-day makeup. And we have a sponsor for today's video, you guys. Debelle was kind enough to sponsor today's video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this facial oil by Debelle. It's the 24 karat gold infused beauty elixir. Now this product has been my absolute go-to, and it's something that I've been using in my makeup routine but also in my skincare routine. So if you guys want to see how I use this product in literally every routine of mine, then please continue watching. Hi everyone, good morning. And I don't know about you guys, I've always had that phase जहाँ पे मेरा face काफी puffy हो जाता है whenever I drink the night before. Also, I haven't been hydrating myself, so that is one of the reasons why my face looks so much more puffier. So for that, I have my bottle of water ready here. I'm gonna be hydrating myself because पिछले 2 दिनों से बिल्कुल भी पानी नहीं पिया, so water is very important. So on those days when my face is feeling super duper puffy, what I like to do, I like to use a Gua-Sha. Now Gua-Sha is a tool like this, and this is what is used to drain the lymphatic fluids. And with my Gua-Sha, I'm obviously going to be using my favorite oil as of right now. You guys can see I've used quite a bit of it. So I'm going to be lighting this candle also by Debelle. It's their yuzu rose flavor. It's a luxury soy wax candle. Oh my god, it smells that khushbu that you get whenever you go into a temple, but in a good way, not like agarbatti way. That's exactly what it smells like. You know what, let me light this candle up. Okay, so the candle is burning there. Thoda sa piche rakh deti isko. Okay, so the candle is there, the oil is there, the water is here. Let's start my Gua-Sha routine. So whenever I do any sort of Gua-Sha or facial massage, I always make sure that I'm doing it on a really well prepped skin. So you want to make sure that you either apply a lot of moisturizer or take a really good amount of facial oil. So I'm just going to be taking a few drops and applying it all over my face. Also, don't forget your neck. Now I'm going to be taking a little bit more and I'm going to be applying it on my Gua-Sha tool as well. And whenever you're using any kind of tool, make sure that it's not straight like this. It's almost parallel to your face, and then just very gently do the swiping motion. Make sure that you're swiping it outwards and do not apply a lot of pressure. Be very gentle. When I'm doing this, I like to do a little wiggle at the end. So I like doing this 10 times on each side. Okay, so with that, I finish my Gua-Sha routine. So the remaining task for the day is to finish this bottle of water at least twice, if not more. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hi everyone, I'm back and now I'm going to be doing my makeup. So I'm just going to quickly share with you guys how I prep my face before I do my makeup. And I'm obviously going to be using this oil by Debelle. I have been absolutely loving it. So आप लोगों ने देखा होगा morning में मैंने already थोड़ा बहुत facial oil लगा लिया था to do my Gua-Sha routine. What I like to do of lately is that I like to take a little bit, like only just like 2 drops of it, and apply it right before my makeup. I like to keep it right on my vanity desk because I reach out for this product quite often. So yeah, another thing I like to do is whenever I'm using like any matte product, I like to use a little bit on my pinky finger, not a lot, and then just apply it on my under eyes. Oh, also my room right now smells so good because I have the candle lit in the background. I don't know if you guys can see it smells really good. It smells very calming. Or plus मौसम ऐसा हो रहा है ना that it's a little bit gloomy outside, so it's like very the rose fragrance and the soothing fragrance is just adding more to the overall feel while I'm getting ready. So yeah, I'm really liking it. So there you go, that's how I like to prep my face. I like to let it sit on my skin for good 5 minutes and then I go ahead with my makeup. So So this facial oil retails for $14.99, which is almost 1500 rupees, but I was checking it online and it's currently on sale. It's for $8.99 rupees on Nykaa, so you guys can definitely check this product out. This facial oil is not your ordinary facial oil. It is infused by 24 karat gold flakes, which you guys can see. It looks so pretty, and it has a mix of so many different oils. It has rosehip oil, it also has pumpkin seed oil, and a lot of different other oils as well. Now, one thing that I noticed about this facial oil is that, you know, this facial oil is something you can not only incorporate in your skincare routine, which is something that I've been doing off lately. Now, it's summer season and it's monsoon season, so it tends to get really hot and humid, and I tend to stay in an AC environment. Whenever I'm at work, I'm obviously in an AC environment. Whenever I'm home, I make sure that I turn on my AC because it's really hot and humid. So in that sense, my skin tends to get dry. So what I like to do is, especially during my nighttime routine, once I'm done with my skincare, basically my moisturizer, my eye cream and all of that, I like to take a few drops of this little bad boy and just put it all across my face. So what this does is, when I wake up the next day in the morning, my skin does not feel dry or stretchy. Another way that I like to use is, whenever I'm using my Gua-Sha tool, that's when I like to use this oil as like a slipping agent. Really helps the Gua-Sha glide onto my face really nicely and smoothly. It works really well. I think I've started loving facial oils so much. You guys know that already, that, you know, I am from the oily skin department, but I think now that I'm in my late 20s, my skin texture has changed and how my skin reacts with certain products has changed as well. I'm not that oily skin person anymore. I sort of now have a combination skincare, so sometimes I notice that, you know, the T-zone is definitely oily. I've noticed few dry patches on my face, which was very unlike my skin before. I think that's because of the fact that I'm getting old. But anyways, this product has been really helping to counteract any sort of dryness or flakiness that I have on my face, which is one of the reasons why I've been gravitating this so much whenever I do my makeup, because makeup on top of dry and flaky skin is a big no-no. So this one has been working really well, and I absolutely love it, and I would highly recommend you guys checking this one out. That I really have been enjoying this facial oil so much, and you guys should definitely check it out. In case if you guys are interested in this product and also the candle, then I will be mentioning it down in my description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much, Debelle, for sponsoring today's video, and also thank you to you guys. It's only because of you guys that I'm able to, you know, keep this channel afloat and you know, do such sponsored videos on my channel. So it really means a lot to me that you guys have been, you know, been there through everything and supporting me in this journey. And it is our journey, basically. It's not my journey, it's our journey, and I'm really happy where we are headed off. So yeah, that's all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. It really means the world to me. I love you guys so much. With that, you guys, I'm gonna take a leave, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda.